Business Russia Group of Companies was founded in 1990. Since then, we have designed and equipped thousands of outlets in the restaurant sphere. However, this is not too surprising. The company has offered the market anything necessary for the most state-of-the-art modern restaurant facilities, as well as dishes and cooking utensils for the food service industry in all spheres. We are especially proud of the fact that we produce ourselves much of what we sell. The company's specialists have the ability to equip facilities no matter how difficult, from street corner fast food or small bars to commercial kitchens. Business Russia consists of a plant for the production of additives and disposable packaging in Moscow, a manufacturing facility for restaurant furniture for food service industry in the city of Odintsovo, and a plant for the production of professional cooking systems and refrigeration units in Tver. The company Business Russia conducts research and has several patents in Russia, Europe, and the United States. Many of the designs are implemented in the factory Tver Torgmash in Tver, a daughter company which exports to many countries. We have some of the most modern machines, technology, highly trained specialists, and attractive cost structure of production, all of which leads to the plant's competitive ability, and at the same time, we have once again used this opportunity to prove that Russian goods are high quality, innovative, and can easily compete with manufacturing in other countries. The most important and valuable resource in any company is the staff. The team of Business Russia is the best specialists and real experts in their field. To date, the company employs over 700 people. The offices of Business Russia, warehouses, and customer service can be found in more than 20 of the largest cities in Russia, Ukraine, and Kazakhstan. We do not just install equipment, but also train in how to use it. The company's staff consists of chefs, baristas, business coaches, and many other specialists ready to give expert advice and provide workshops or a full-blown training course. Business Russia has its own service department. Moscow alone employs more than 80 service personnel. Our mobile, fast, and friendly service center operates 7 days a week. Specialists provide warranty and post-warranty service, installation, supervision, and more. In addition, we are always ready to answer any questions and help when necessary. One of the elements of the company which we are quite proud of is the fact that we have set up a warehouse infrastructure, including a warehouse in the Moscow region and warehouses on location of each of the regional offices, a total area of 150,000 square feet. Business Russia has its own logistics fleet at its disposal, so the goods are delivered directly to the customer's door. Business Russia is proud of its customers and appreciates their loyal cooperation. As with government representatives and leading Russian companies, the best local and domestic restaurant owners, restaurant chains and cafes, retail chains, hotels, cinemas, and fast food chains.